What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today we are looking at the Rockstrip 252, which is an RGB color strip wash LED. There are 252 extremely bright, high-powered LEDs on this unit. 84 of them are red, 84 of them are green, and 84 of them are blue. Now I have one here in front of me. Let's open this up and see what's inside. So right here we have an included DMX cable, and over here we have an included IEC power cable. Inside we have two metal feet, which attach to the side of the light using the two mounting knobs. You just screw it right into the side of the light. This allows you to angle the light in multiple different positions, as well as attach it to a truss system with a lighting clamp if you're truss mounting. So here we have the light itself, and finally we have the remote. The remote is super cool. It gives you a lot of different functionality between picking different colors and different modes. So there's an auto mode, which will run through the 8 different presets. There's a strobe mode, there's a fade mode, there's a sound mode. So in sound mode, you'll notice if I talk really low, it's going to move very slowly. But if I raise my voice, it starts moving very quickly, and the light is being activated by sound! 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 Let's take a look at the back really quick. So over here we have our on and off power switch. Right next to it is our power in, where we plug in our power cable. And on the opposite side over here, we have our power out, which you can use to electrically daisy chain another light off of it. And over here and here we have our DMX in and out. So you can plug this light into another light and control them off a DMX controller in DMX mode. Now there are 3 different DMX modes. There's a 3-channel mode, a 4-channel mode, and a 7-channel mode, depending on how much control you need. Or plug another Rockstrip 252 into it and use them in Masterslave Mode, which allows you to link up to 16 different Rockstrip 252s with the DMX ins and outs. And over here we have our LED display with 4 buttons that you can use to control and flip through all the functionalities on the display itself. Now these lights are perfect for wall washing. You might be using a par light to wash a wall, and that's great, but once you use a Rockstrip 252 to do that, you'll notice a totally different effect. Because it's a strip light, you're going to notice a wider light throw and a thicker beam on the wall, which is different than a normal par light would give. But you could integrate this light with other par lights that you have on a wall and get a really cool effect. And because the feet are adjustable with the knobs over here, you can point it at different angles at the wall. And as I mentioned before, you can attach light clamps to the feet and truss mount this light. As you can see, the Rockstrip 252 is a super versatile light. It's great for DJs, for wall washing and uplighting, or if you want to use it for stage design and stage setups, you could use a bunch of them for really cool effects. So if you're looking for a bright, sleek, and versatile RGB strip wash light for your setup, look no further than the Rockstrip 252 from Rockville. As always guys, I'm Mike from Rockville. I'll see you next time.